What is going on, everyone? My name is J Turn Shake, and I'm here to bring you another episode of the J Turn Chisel. In this episode, I'm going to be doing an A to Z wrap on all those foods you can eat while on the keto diet. Some you might like, some you might not. Some you might be like, what the fuck is that? Well, here's a little secret. I might not know either. All right, we're gonna go from A to J. Almonds, artichoke, arugula, asparagus, avocado, bacon, beef, berry, bok choy, bone broth, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, butter, cabbage, calamari, cashews, cauliflower, cheese, chicken, chives, coconut, cod, coffee, crab, cranberry, cucumber. Dark chocolate, diet soda, duck, eggs, eggplant, erythritol, fat bombs, flax, flour, almond, coconut, hazelnut, basically all those nuts. Garlicky, green beans, ground beef, haddock, ham, hazelnuts, heavy cream. I don't know. I don't know what's for but we have some jalapenos and some jerky. All right, guys, those were all those foods you can eat going from A to J while on the keto diet. These foods are gonna help your body get into that ketosis state, which is gonna break your fat down, melt it out. You're gonna go burn those fats for fuels. So now we want to find out what those rest of those foods are going from K to U. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go! Kale, kimchi, lamb, lard, leek, lemon, lettuce, lime, mayo, milk, mushrooms, mussels, mustards, nuts, okra, oils, olives, onions, oysters, paprika, pecans, pickles, pistachios, peppers, pork, prawns, pumpkin, cork, radish, raspberries, rhubarb, salmon, sardines, sauerkraut, sausages, scallops, seaweed, seeds, shrimp, sour cream, spinach, squash, squid, stevia, strawberries, tea, tomato, trout, turmeric, tuna, turkey, turnip. I don't know what's for you unless you count Ursula, because you can have seafood too. All right, guys, those were all the foods that you can eat from K to U while you are on the keto diet. Just remember, when you're eating these foods, it's going to put your body into that ketosis state, which is optimal for fat burning. So keep it up, eat those foods, and let's finish this A to Z wrap. Venison, vinegars, apple cider, balsamic, walnuts, water, whipped cream, extra virgin olive oil, xylitol, yogurt, the Greek kind, and zucchini. All right, everyone, that's what I got for you today. These are all those foods that you can eat from A to Z while on the keto diet.